If you remember this scene, or remember this scene, then you might like what Jeep revealed today. What's that mean for you? That means you get to deck your JL or Gladiator out in Jurassic Park themed stickers. And it's all based off the 1992 YJ they had in the first Jurassic Park movie. And everything you get in the package sounds like you get the hood, fender, door decals, swing gate decal, and even new plaques for your shifter and transfer case. Jeep's making 100 of these, and they're all gonna be numbered. I think we all fell in love with Jeeps after that movie. Who didn't want a YJ with the top off going and exploring for dinosaurs? Now's your chance. The 30th anniversary Jurassic Park decal pack's gonna cost you about $650, and you can pick it up at jeepsgraphicstudio.com. Now here's your chance to have your Jeep just like the one from the original movie. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video.